Let me show you some of my favorites. First is the fried spare ribs. This one is $100. Don't miss it when you see it kasi this is so juicy and tasty. I chose a spicy flavor kasi I want it hot. I also tried the squid balls at the night market. Kakaiba yung squid balls nila, no? They're not fried. And walang sauce, pipili ka lang ng powder. This is a new experience. Parang kumakain ka ng shabu-shabu balls. This is so good. This is not technically Taiwanese, pero when I saw it sa food court, this looked so good, so I must have it. Hindi ko alam kung paano translate to, pero if you see number 1, try nyo tong beef bowl nila. Sobrang sarap. Back at the night market, of course, I had to try this giant chicken. Siyempre, napaso na naman ako, but it's worth it. Di complete ang night market experience ko if I don't try their ihaw-ihaw. Favorite ko dito yung chicken skin and yung Taiwanese sausage. Iba-iba yung price per stick. I think I spent about 130 here. Sarap talaga ng grilled chicken skin and yung Taiwanese sausage. Super favorite ko tong mga to. To cleanse my palate, I bought some cantaloupes. Again, if you see cantaloupes or melons, you have to get it kasi it's so sweet dito. Breakfast is always xiaolongbao. As you know, I'm a xiaolongbao girl. This is my favorite. And this is only $50